ayuda. Donnie, paano nga ba niya pasayahin si Belle? Ayon sa aktor, to make a woman happy is treating her with love, respect, and kindness. Dagdag pa ng aktor, and men don't have to be perfect. To make woman happy is all man really needs to do is love her like he promised when they first dated. Si Belle, madali naman kasi siyang pasayahin. Napakasimple niya kasing tao. Kahit na anong ibigay mo sa kanya, she appreciate that. Pero ako, ayaw ko yung simple lang para sa mahal ko. I'll give her what she deserves. And she deserves everything.